Hi, Emily from Aboutable here. I want to go over how our product can really add value to your business and allow you to really just write once and then design forever and never wait for copy again. What we've done is we've created a copy mod framework, which reimagines the way that businesses write, deliver, and use copy. So, what is a copy mod? A copy mod is one piece of content that has three parameters attached to it. The first parameter is service. So, service is unique to you, it's whatever product or service you sell. The next parameter is purpose. This is specifically designed to be simple. So, the purpose of each piece of content would be what your product is, why your customers should buy your product, how your product works, the problem and solution that your product or service solves, and then the key benefits that your product or service offers, and then length. The lengths that we have decided upon are based on my 13 years of working as a designer, and they're based around the typical amount of content that you would need for various marketing assets. So our lengths are divided up into bits, which is about a headline, blurbs, which is about a paragraph, blocks, which is 2 to 3 paragraphs, and then bullets and buy nows. Buy nows are call to actions. The reason that we've done this is because the way that content development was working was broken. What would happen would be you would decide that you wanted to create a white paper and a sales sheet. You'd have to go through one round of content development with a copywriter that would go through revisions. Then you'd have to go through design, which would then go through revisions. And after all of that was said and done, you would have a white paper and a sales sheet, which is fine, but it's not really what you need. The way that our system works is because we've looked at the core components of what creates a white paper, a sales sheet, an email, a social post, a landing page, and broken them down individually. We then only have to go through one round of content development. We go through and create individual bits, blurbs, blocks, buy nows, and bullets for each of your products and services. We go through content development, which makes sure that all of the content that we develop is highly accurate to your brand and your voice of tone. We go through one round of revisions, and then you can use those blocks that we've created through design to create whatever you need. You can create thousands of marketing assets with just one round of content development. It's 100% custom to you. It's 67% faster than traditional content development, and it's 73% cheaper than traditional content development because rather than developing content for each individual asset, you're developing a library that you can use that is mix and matchable and interchangeable. Let me show you what it looks like on the back end. This is the back end of our system. It has these search parameters here, so you can search based on the different lengths that we have available, the different purposes that we have available, and you can even search based on services. So if you offered more than one product or service, you would have an option for it. Since this is our content library, the only option for service is copy mod. Let's say we want to change this to Y. You can see that it automatically sorts based on how and why. We can shut off how, and now we can see all of the reasons why you might want to use our system. Let's go ahead and click this one. This one says, before using copy mod, you and your team might struggle to push through copy production standstills. You might even be forced to settle in for thin content that does your brand disservice. And it goes on to explain how we use our system to break through bottlenecks to ensure your messaging is consistent across your platform. This is how you would receive your copy from us in a database that is sorted just like this. And it would be super easy for you to find all of the content that you need when you need it, so you can say what you need to say when you need to say it. I hope this looks like it would be valuable to you. And if so, reach out to me through the website or at my email. I look forward to working with you.